Hi guys, it's your girl B Michelle coming at you with another Dollar Tree DIY and also this watch from Jord. So first I'm going to start with the watch. So this watch was sent to me and I absolutely love this watch, you guys. It's a really nice wooden watch. It actually, you can tell that it's wood, but it is really high quality. Looking at it in pictures, it may look like it's not really made of wood, but it really is made of wood, and it's really, really nice, you guys. It's really good quality crafted. I just absolutely love this watch. I have been wearing this watch out. It is a little bit too big for me. I do need to get it sized down. I actually, when I ordered the watch, when I've sent in my size, I actually sent the size a little bit too big. So it is a bit too big for me. So I will get that resized. But the watch, you guys, is absolutely fabulous. I have been receiving so many compliments off this watch, and I just want to share it with you guys and tell you about a special offer where you guys can take advantage of as well. But the company is called Jord. It's spelled Jord. It looks like it's Jord, but from my understanding, it's pronounced Jord. So just letting you guys know about this watch. It was sent to me. I am trying it out. I absolutely love it. I have been wearing it and have been receiving many compliments on this watch. So you guys can take advantage of the special offer, and there will be like a drawing as well for a lucky winner to receive a discount on their Jord watch. So I will link all of that information in the description box. And it came with some oil to treat your watch to make sure it stays in good condition. It has a cleaning cloth, and it also came with another cloth. It came with some instructions on troubleshooting, different things about the watch. And also this wooden case that it came in is very quality crafted, you guys. It is a wooden box. It has like the magnetic top on it. Also, it has this drawer where you can store your oil and your cleaning cloth, and you can just put those things in there and tuck those away. And also, the box is very well crafted. I really do think that this is a really good watch, and it's just really good quality. The box itself, I'm just impressed by the box. But the watch is really nice. I really do like this watch. I want to thank Yo for sending this watch to me. I really am enjoying it, and like I said, I am getting plenty of compliments on this watch. My coworker, actually, her and her husband both have Jord watches. She has two herself, and her husband has one. And she was telling me about this company before I knew about it, and they absolutely love their watches. So it's really good. I would say that it's high-end quality. I had a doctor's appointment on Friday, and I was wearing the watch, and the girl that was doing my vitals before the doctor came in, she noticed the watch, and she just stopped what she was doing and just grabbed my arm and was just looking at the watch. She's like, "That's a really nice watch you're wearing." I was like, "Thank you." I said it was sent to me, and this is my first time wearing it, and blah blah blah. And she was just admiring the watch, and she was just looking at it just all over. I was like, "You want me to take it off so you can look at it?" But she really thought it was really cool. She really liked the watch. So you get that kind of attention with this watch. You really do. I have had several people to ask me about the watch. Also, on the back of the box, you can also have it engraved. If you like to purchase for a watch for someone special, you can have the box engraved with a message. And I do recommend this watch. It's really good quality in my opinion. So if you like one, don't forget to check out that link in the description box, and there will be a chance for one lucky person to win $100 towards the purchase of their own watch. Also, take advantage of the $25 off using the link in the description box, as well as free sizing. So I'm going to go on to the Dollar Tree DIY, you guys. Thanks for listening. So with the DIY, I'm starting with these stars from the Dollar Tree. As you guys have, if you guys have seen my previous video where I did a lamp using these type of candle holders, the star-shaped candle holders, but I did them in the silver color. So these are the blue candle holders. They actually kind of look purple. They look more bluish purple in the store, but in my home, under the lighting, they look more purple than they do blue. But either way, it's a pretty color. I like the color. So I'm actually taking some of the Fix All, and I'm adhering two other candle holders together, just like you saw here. And you do want to allow the not E6000, but you can use E6000, but the Fix All, you do want to allow it to dry before trying to move on. But for the purpose of me doing this on video, I just went ahead with all of the steps, and you may want to do yours different. So I'm also taking these frames. I did 2 of these, so you want to repeat the steps if you're going to do multiple. So I'm taking some of the octagon mirrors that you can get from the Dollar Tree, and I made sure that I cleaned them off. I'm also taking these candle holders. They have like the octagon shape on the bottom, and I'm using the Fix All, and I'm just placing some of the Fix All along the bottom of the candle holder, and I'm going to adhere these to the mirror. And you can use straight Fix All if you want, but for the purpose of me making this video, I did use a little bit of hot glue. I prefer to use straight Fix All, but like I said, I didn't have time to let everything dry, so I am using a little bit of hot glue so I can continue working. And I just placed it on the mirror because the hot glue is going to give it that instant stick. So I just placed it on there. See, I'm able to lift it up using the hot glue. So I'm going on to the next step. Do be mindful that these are not dry. I am doing everything right behind the other. So I am taking some of the Fix All, and I'm going around the top of the candle holder. And I'm going to adhere the 2 candle holders that I joined together. I'm also using the hot glue just for the video. If I wasn't recording, I would do just straight Fix All for my projects. That's how I prefer mine to be. And if you're wondering why I flipped it over, because when I pulled the sticker off of the candle holder, 2 of the stickers just did not want to come off, and I tried cleaning it, and I noticed that it was taking some of the color off, so I just said I'll just use that on the bottom. So I'm also taking some of this bling wrap, or you can call it diamond wrap. I got this one from Walmart. This is the kind that they have at Walmart. I actually think the one from Walmart is a little bit prettier. I guess because the little indentions are a little bit smaller. So I'm actually using the bling wrap from Walmart, and I'm cutting a section off. I'm using 5 rows. And I'm just going to add this to the candle holder. But of course, if yours is dry, you can do this step before you attach the 2 pieces on top of the candle holder that's on the mirror. You can do this, and it may be easier if you were just laying it on its side and just going around. So I'm basically just going around this and gluing. So it's going to cover up the line where the 2 mirrors were joined together. I wasn't going to do anything at all at first, but then I was like, well, I guess I can add a little bit of diamond wrap or bling wrap to jazz things up a little bit. So I'm just following the pattern of the star. And I actually like the diamond wrap with that purplish blue color. I think it really makes everything pop even more. So the next step is I'm taking one of these other candle holders from the Dollar Tree, and I'm also going to add some diamond wrap around the candle holder on the top as well as the bottom. Well, not quite the whole top, but kind of where it goes in, where it gets kind of skinnier. I'm just adding it around that section. Now, of course, you can design these however you like, whatever your taste is. You can design it however you see fit for your home. If you don't want to use the diamond wrap, you don't have to do that. But I'm also going around the bottom part as well, and I repeated it on both candle holders. Repeated those steps on both candle holders. So next is to take the Fix All and just put a layer of the Fix All around the outer rim part of the bottom. And I followed up with a little bit of hot glue, but I'm going to apply the hot glue directly onto the bluish purple candle holder in the center, because that part kind of dips down just a little bit more. So I put like a good amount of hot glue there to make sure everything sticks. So this is a very simple DIY project. So this is the final look, you guys. I think they're pretty. You can use these in for a wedding, I guess, depending on the colors that you use. But you can use these for whatever type of event that you desire to use them in, or if you just want them for your home, they look pretty as an addition to the decor in your home as well. So that's it, you guys. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. You can leave me comments, and please share the videos. I appreciate each and every one of you. I want to thank each and every one of my subscribers, as well as every viewer that views any of my videos. I appreciate each and every one of you. And thank you for your time, you guys. That's all for now. And until next time, bye. And don't forget to take advantage of the discount provided for the watch. Bye.